Welcome to Data Insights. How to print student request slips. Log into Data Insights. Your username and password is the same as your Infinite Campus account. Go to Student Groups, Add New, enter a group name, click on Save. Click on Student Group, click on Add Students. Here you want to paste the ID numbers of the students that you want to put in the list. On this particular case, I'm getting student IDs from Infinite Campus. Paste it over in this box and click on Save. You will get a confirmation of the number of students added. Now if you go back to the student groups, you should see that there's 17 kids on this particular example that has been added to the list. Now we can proceed printing the forms by clicking on Students. Select the school site. Select your student group. Once you selected, you will see the number of kids that are on your selection. On this case, there's only 16 because one of them is inactive. Select all, perform action, click on Reports, select Student Request Slip, all students on the list, and Generate Report. Once you click that, there will be an option for you to further customize your report. There's the header, the title, the message. But if you want, you can just click on Submit to show the plain report. Once you have the file, you can save it to a PDF and use as needed. This is how you print student request slips in Data Insights.